Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 Trendline TDI, a versatile van packed with features for both comfort and safety. With a sleek white exterior, this van is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine, making it both powerful and fuel efficient. Cruise control, electric windows, and Bluetooth phone connectivity make driving a breeze, while ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision systems ensure your safety on the road. Registering new in 2021, this van comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our website www.aureliansons.ie for